Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening your phone settings and navigating directly to phone or calls. This gets you where blocking tools live. Once done, make sure the specific number is copied or saved so you don't mistype it. If your carrier offers a blocking service, note that now because you may need to enable it later. You're preparing the essentials so the next steps are fast. Don't skip verifying your OS and backing up contacts in case you alter settings. You will find the number in Recents or Contacts, tap its entry, and choose Block or Add to blocked numbers. That single tap prevents future rings. If the option offers Report as Spam, use it to feed spam databases and reduce robocalls for others. Once you confirm, examine caller ID and spam filter settings to tighten protection. Make sure Do Not Disturb won't hide legitimate calls. This specific execution changes handling immediately, so test with a short call to verify. You finish by testing the block. Ask the block number to call or use a second phone so you can confirm no ring occurs. If calls continue, check carrier account settings and enable any network-level blocking. Sometimes spam blocking apps must be granted permissions. Once done, restart your device and ensure the OS and call apps are updated, because lingering caches or outdated software can bypass blocks. If problems persist, remove and re-add the number or contact your carrier for escalation. This usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.